There we go, back with a brand new vlog. Yeah, it's been a minute, but we're back with an awesome new journey. We're starting to ride more adventure bikes. We partnered up with Triumph. Today is a day that we go on and try the introduction to the adventure bike riding course. So again, starting at bottom.
We started from the bottom, now we're here.
Bottom.
Working our way all the way up with the levels. So today's the introduction. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I was gonna put my toes in there.
All of the terrible choices that I made. Searching for life.
What's the drill for this exercise? Stand up as quickly as possible. Body posture, core position. When you open the throttle, you go forward. When you brake, you use the rear brake, you go backwards. And don't touch that front brake.
You understand?
Don't go on there.
Don't touch it!
That's right. Both feet on the ground and repeat. Demonstrate it to you. Come in as close as possible to the cone. You look at that cone. You start putting your weight on the outside foot peg. And where do I look? I look at that cone. Peripheral vision will take care of the other two. And don't come here and do this. Peripheral vision will take care of it. If you do that, you're going to go there. So when I'm here, I start looking at that cone. I focus here and I focus there. Clutch, throttle control, rear brake. When I'm here, I focus on my exit. Okay, very easy.
There we go, so I'm rudely interrupting this road trip all the way to my training, but beforehand we needed to do some prep with Motul, so yeah, let's get into that.
I'm your boogie man. That's what I am. I'm here to do whatever I can. Be it early morning, late afternoon, or at midnight. It's never too soon to wanna please you, to wanna keep you, to wanna do it all for you. I wanna be your rubber ball. I wanna be the one you love most of all. Oh yeah.
Okay, Andre, we just completed the intro course to your 3 levels of adventure riding courses. So yeah, for people that don't know who Andre Visser is, elevator pitch. Who is Andre Visser?
So yes, thank you. My name is Andre. I've been instructing for roughly about 16 years. Coming through the ranks, we've got this training school in the cradle of the human mankind, various facilities throughout South Africa. And basically we've done the introduction to off-road riding today. That's a stepping stone of level 1, 2, 3, which is your more advanced courses. And then we also cater for the sand riding, which is level 1 sand, level 2 sand, and a very once-off specialized course in South Africa. I think we're the only people that presents it. It's the emergency braking course. It's a full day emergency braking course on dirt.
Awesome. No, so that gives you the skill set to be able to do these expeditions. I mean, we're all on these amazing bikes, and the Triumph, even like the Tigers or the Scramblers and all that, and they've got so much tools and so much capability. It's now us that's lacking on this point of time.
Yes, you're 100% right. So we prepare people for expeditions, tours, cross-border traveling. We had good success with the UK market. We're bringing another group of riders in October, which is the another expedition, a full-on expedition, and that's we've got a leg in UK in London, and that's where we sort of get our market for more serious expedition riders, not only just your 9-to-5 riders.
Exactly, yeah. And this is also not your first time riding an adventure bike. You've got a resume of adventure riding and under your belt as well.
Adventure riding a very long time, but also enduro riding. I've done the Roof of Africa a few times. I finished in bronze class, which is fair enough. And basically adventure riding was my focus since I would say about 18 years ago when I started with adventure riding.
Perfect. No, 100%. No, I'll definitely see you on the first level course. I mean, we've already chatted on looking out for all the events, and I mean, mainly your events are all on the Triumph's website. So if you go onto the Triumph's website, I'll put it down here below.
Yes.
So yeah, you'll see all the riding and stuff, that adventure riding that you do, and the training courses that you do mainly.
Yes, basically Triumph, officially Triumph training partner, but any brand's welcome.
Perfect. Yeah, no, I mean, like today's ride, I mean, all these guys you can consider them all beginner riders and all that, and we ended up on the skill set doing about a bunch of turns and learning the braking and cornering everything, and then everybody had a successful ride out into the game drive.
Yes, that's what we're aiming for. So a person will arrive on the training course in the morning with a certain skill level, and it's my job to make sure everybody excels within their own skill set. And not ride with outside the comfort zone. That's basically the crux of this whole thing.
Perfect. Yeah, no, thank you very much again for the opportunity, and excited to get up my levels on that.
Thank you, looking forward to see you.
There we go. Yeah, I almost say Jack Russell. There we go, all done and dusted. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing, liking the video, sharing it with your friends, and follow along on the journey. We've got some really awesome stuff planned with Triumph, and yeah, I'm really excited to start vlogging again, getting everything up and running. So awesome to see you guys again. See you in the next one.